up the overboost safety to 28. Damn, it shot a fat flame. What's going on, y'all? We back with another video. As y'all can see, we were supposed to finish this tune, well, at least make more progress yesterday, but some stuff ended up happening, and he was supposed to send another MHD file to Flash, but he only sent a revision for my controller. So he sent that over yesterday. I just flashed the car with MHD on that updated file. Since we already flashed the controller, we're just about to go ahead and go get another log. Just cover the car up. No point in driving the car in rain. Nice little E85 cold start. I can tell with this tune that he sent is way better, because when I flashed that port file for and not the MHD file, bro, it crunked. This time it crunked like right up. So we about to see what it's talking about. And then in the last video, I don't know if y'all seen the comment I left, I had my overboost safety set to 22.9 because that's usually what I had it set to when the car was on 93, but I think we're targeting like 25, 26 pounds of boost. So I turned the overboost safety up so it won't hit that boost cut. But in the logs, I think it still was hitting like 24, 25 PSI. So we're gonna let it idle here, get up the temp, and then we're gonna get in here and do this log. 102, I don't know if y'all can see this. Yeah, it's idling way better.
One eternity later.
All right, let's go. Get this log in. Y'all ready? Oh, before I do this, let me make sure this damn GFB is on the right setting, because these GFBs is known to do that. Revision number 3. And we caught a green light. I don't even know how much boost we hit, but I'm gonna send that log over to him. And I'm gonna let y'all know when we get back. All right, so right here, I'm about to send this log off the VU. As you can see, I don't know if I can see you in the camera.
The next day.
Nice little cold start. So we are back. This is day 3 of dialing, trying to get this car right with the tune on for E85. I just got an email back. All right, I found it. So he hit me back. He sent me a revision for the controller. So we about to head over to split second performance again. Hopefully it don't rain. So we can flash this controller, do another log, and then see what he say. hear it. Ooh, this car is gonna be quick. This car is definitely gonna be quick, bro. Oh, mommy. I can already see myself now. I'm gonna get some good runs with this car, make some great content. I do later down the road plan on changing my turbo to a precision or a PSR, but right now we rocking out with that Borg Warner, mainly because of the sound. Nice E90, this carbon hood nasty. Alright, got the laptop test. Feel me? Let's see where I'm gonna sit this. I'm gonna sit this in the shade. Flashing a controller. What Drake say? I heard something sus about Drake. Well, we ain't gonna talk about that though. I got to turn the ignition on. All right, we turned the ignition on. Okay, it's connected. Maps, fuel maps. All right, it's flashing. Why the hell it takes so long to? Why it takes so long to start up like that? Yeah, I just opened the file, right? The July 8th.
You already flashed it?
Yeah.
Is it?
I went here, I put...
Right
yeah,
data?
Yeah, and it went through.
And it went through, yeah.
Am I the only one that like to kick off my my slide or my shoe? Like, I drive with my socks, bro. My socks on. You just wanted to go data log that 340 right there. Alright, so as y'all can see, I feel like on that first pull towards the top of third, it misfired, maybe because I didn't shift in time. I did another log after that, as y'all can see. Oh, I don't think I hit the start log, but the second time I did that pull, it didn't do it. It sounded like it did. At least it sounded like a misfire, but maybe I hit limiter and then it stumbled. I don't know. I'm about to go ride with Quan. He about to go grab a log for CD919. If y'all know, you know. And it's 340. We about to see what it's talking about. I don't know what's done to it. There's gotta be something if you see that, right? Alright, so we came back and these new 340s, bro, like, I don't know if y'all can see, but the TPMS light is on. If that's on, it won't let you put the car in sport mode or turn the traction on off. So you about to put some air in the back tire. Then go do the log. On top of that, Vu just sent me a revision for my MHD, so I might go flash that. Yeah, I'm about to set my phone up so it'd be done. All right, so we got the tune pulled up, July 10th. Got the car ignition on. So let's set it up. Go ahead, do it. Said 39.
That's when I thought it was.
Oh, yeah, mine say 32. Oh, strong though. Let's get this log in. All right, let's get it.
The next day.
All right, y'all, so this is like the next day after I did that log. I don't know if y'all could hear up top, it felt like the car was kind of like misfiring a little bit, somewhere around like 6,000 RPM. So I was looking into that to see what was going on. So I told my tuner, he was like, it could possibly be a loose spark plug. When I got home, I checked the spark plug. The spark plug was tight, so that wasn't the problem. So come to find out, that spark plug that I got from a friend of mine. They were already in a car, but they were just put in the car, and the car was probably, they only put like maybe like 100 miles on it, if that. I did not check the gap before I threw the spark plug in my car and replaced it. So I put my spark plug gap tool on it to see what was the gap on it, and it was like real loose. So like usually when you slide the gap tool into, you know, the spark plug between the I forgot what the tip of the spark plug, it's supposed to be like a snug fit. So to me it looked like these plugs were gapped to 0.20, but my spark plugs, the rest of them that I replaced, 2 through 6, I gapped down to 0.18 because of how much boost I'm running. So I gapped the spark plug down more to 0.18, so it could be like tight. So now I flashed another revision that Doc Vu sent via MHD on the car yesterday. So we're gonna get another log in today to see what it's doing. But this is probably like my, third or fourth revision. I know it's like the third or fourth for my controller for sure. It's probably like my third for MHD, maybe 4, I don't know, bro. Just know it's a lot of revisions. So whenever I get some space to open it up, that's what we're gonna do. But it's looking promising. My heart kind of fell out my chest a little bit, man. When I heard it misfire up top, I'm like, it wasn't always doing that. until yesterday. So I was hoping that it wasn't nothing crazy like that. You feel me? I was praying to God it wasn't nothing crazy like that. Yeah, so that's what we're gonna be doing today. So I'm gonna turn the camera back on whenever I get ready to do this vlog. All right, it's the moment of truth right here. See if it's gonna misfire. Oh, I gotta open it back up. The app wanna act stupid. All right, bet. It's better. All right, let's go. And I upped the overboost safety to 28. Damn, it shot a fat flame. No misfire, bruh. No misfire. Yo, it shot a fat flame, dog. Oh my God. Yo. Hey, yo, nah, this. Thank God. Thank God that it didn't misfire, bruh. But the last time I did a pull, it didn't misfire. It just stuttered, bruh. That's crazy. I don't know if the GoPro picked up that loud. Like when I ran port injection, my last setup with twins, it used to do that. When I would go in the boost and let off, it would do that. It would shoot fat flames because of the port injection dumping fuel. But man, that looked and it sounded amazing. So I'm gonna send that log over to Boot and we're gonna see what's cracking. Damn, bro, I don't even know how much boost I hit, but it probably did it because like I turned up my overboost safety to 28 because it was at 26. So now that's good that it didn't misfire or nothing. I think I might cut this video in this series a little short. Then whenever I pick up again doing these revisions or whatnot, I don't know, maybe I might end the video here or not. We'll see. But if I end it, that it is what it is. So y'all stay tuned. Y'all smash that like button if y'all haven't already. I keep forgetting to tell y'all that. But yeah, hit that like button, man. It helps spread, you know, put this video out there. But other than that, I'm gonna catch y'all later, man. I appreciate y'all stopping by.